Welcome to Melt and Pour Soap series at Terra Naturals. Melt and Pour soap is a ready-made base that can be melted, shaped and set into a natural soap base. Our soaps are made with no added colors or fragrances, offering a pure and gentle cleansing experience. I am glad to share that I tried making floral soap with fresh flowers and got stunning results. Floral soap nourishes the skin with natural ingredients, providing hydration, antioxidants, and a soothing aroma from fresh flowers. Let's get started. Take transparent base and chop like this. Use a double boiler method. Double boil the base. Once the base melts, add on your fresh flowers of your choice. I am adding marigold, rose, hibiscus, tulsi, hibiscus leaves, etc. Now add few drops of coconut oil and few drops of lavender essential oil and give a mix. Stir for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, pour the mixture into the mold. Always use rubbing alcohol to sterilize the mold. Remember to spray rubbing alcohol after the procedure to avoid bubbles. I need some bubbles in this recipe, so I avoid spraying rubbing alcohol. After an hour, unmold the soap. Look at the texture and natural color of the soap. This is my first try and I got stunning results. Now cut the soap as you like. So our natural aromatic floral soaps are ready. Once give a try. If you found this video useful, like my channel, share with your friends and subscribe for more new videos.